I have a wheelbarrow wheel here that is very rusted and very flat, and so I'm going to be replacing it with a new one here, and this one has no air in it, so it'll never get flat. The first thing I did is I unbolted the bolts and nuts here that used to be on the old axle, and while I was at it I figured I might as well get a new axle. So I have a new axle here. Unfortunately, the axle has a different hole pattern than the other one did, so I lined up the old holes with what I could get, and then I've pre-drilled a little hole for the new locations. And then once we've done that, I'll be able to thread in my new bolts. We'll also attach the wheel with the correct spacers so we can now start using this wheelbarrow again.